Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Today we have to take a look at the Great British Pound. Last weekend we talked about it globally, so we're taking a look at the fundamentals, some information, so it's long-term analysis. And if you remember, it was a bit tricky situation because on the weekly chart actually we have the Polish grabber, but in our weekly research we really have expressed some suspicions about this grabber because mostly it was driven by not some real background of the market, but mostly was reaction on some political events and as it was happened at the end of the week. So we got the grabber, and overall price action doesn't suggest the appearing of this grabber, doesn't suggest any bullish pattern because overall picture looks mostly bearish for the cable, and that's why we said that on the coming week the both scenarios are possible and you could take the position on the both ways, but do not forget to move stops at the break-evens when you have taken the position. Situation right now has changed a bit, and it mostly confirms our previous thoughts on the possible downward action on the Great British Pound. So take a look actually what we have on the daily chart. Market has tested the weekly pivot point, has failed to pass through it, and start dropping. Now take a look side by side, 2 sessions, we've got the bearish grabbers. So on Monday and Tuesday, both of these patterns suggest the taking out of these lows, and it means that weekly grabber will be erased. Also guys, take a look that when market turns up, it hasn't quite reached the confidence support around 130 even. So if we'll contract the chart, you will see the levels from these lows to this one is 3.8, and the 618 support from that to this top of the 618 and 3.8 from the starting of this upward action. Okay, so this is really strong daily support area. It's confidence support. Also, it will be accompanied by the daily oversold, and take a look monthly pivot support one. So it's logical destination point for Great British Pound in the current week, maybe even in the beginning till the beginning of the next week. Also, it's important that we have here this A, B, C top minor 618 extension target that coincide with the confluence with the big monthly pivot support one. So it's really very solid support area, as you can see. Existence of the minor target below these lows even confirms an idea that these lows probably will fail. And now as the grabbers point at that moment as this ABCD pattern, and take a look that I even have taken the conservative ABCD. I use not this top, absolute top, but the point where the downward action really has started. So this target even stands slightly closer to the market. That is what we have on the daily chart. So direction here is definitely to the downside. On the 4-hour time frame chart, it seems that we were right on this regardless triple to sell pattern that we have discussed in our weekly research as well. But right now, if you have taken position here, it's very good. So you now could move your stop to the break even and just watch the movie. But if you think about taking the short position, you probably, maybe if you have the same view that you suggest that also Great British Pound should drop, but you do not know how to possess yourself for this possible downward continuation. In this case, you could take a look at the hourly chart. Here we have some possibilities for that. First of all, take a look that market has completed this hourly AB equals CD pattern, right? But the CD leg is very fast. It suggests that after minor retracement, downward action should continue. Market right now is not at some support, is not at oversold. So actually, except this ABCD target, we do not have any support. That's why, at the first glance, if you will build here this upward ABCD retracement, it looks very attractive because it coincides with the first fib resistance around 132.23. This 3/8 resistance of the whole move down, right? It stands also some kind of the confluence. 32.23, 32.35, also weekly pivot point. It looks really solid and it's really very attractive to take the position in that area. But I suspect that maybe it's not the fact that we will get there, because drop is really fast and this is really weak support here. That's why market could just limit the upward reaction with the retracement that already has been done. So you can see to the minor 3/8 resistance, 132 even, and here it just could continue move down. This is also possible. That's why there's two possibilities exist. So you need you could take position somewhere in this area, but you should be ready that market could show another leg up. If it's too far for you from your stop order or something of that sort, that you just could wait whether this ABCD pattern will happen. If it will happen, you could take the position here. If not, well, in this case, you will have to watch for another opportunity to go short. If your risk management allows you to take this risk, probably maybe you could even add more in this area if this retracement will happen. You could try to position yourself with this downward action that we see right now on Great British Pound. But in general, market right now on the daily chart confirms our suspicious about the weekly bullish pattern, and currently everything is coming to its own places. That indeed market starts to show bearish action, market shows bearish patterns. That's even more important. And here we could estimate the destination point. So approximately it will be 130 even. Probably it should be met maybe this week, maybe in the beginning of the next week. So we will see.